I'm going to try and show you the middle of a blackbird migration. See if I can get it up there. They're all over the trees. There must be 1,000 birds out here. They do this every year. Just one day they stop by, hang out, and chill in the trees. I don't know if you can hear it, but make a lot of noise. I mean, they're literally everywhere in the trees. It's truly amazing when they do. I've seen them come down and land on the ground, and they'll just be looking for food everywhere. They're all starting to fly here and there. You can see them. But yeah, they're literally everywhere. It just amazes me when I see this. It's just, it doesn't happen all the time, but I mean, one day out of the year, they all come in, and there'll be like 1,000 or so. Like that tree's got all those little black dots. Every one of them is a bird. They just hang out. You can see, there we go. Yeah. You can see all of them just sitting in the trees. It's, you never know when it's going to happen, but I was just sitting in the trailer and started hearing birds singing the whole damn time. I'm like, what the hell? So I'm like, okay, I went outside and yep, they're here. And they are everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. I'll even show you another tree up here. There's one up there. See them all? That's just one tree. I mean, there's blackbirds. Our kitty's out too. Kitty, kitty. Show you our cat. Kitty, come here. Yeah, you. Come here. Yeah, you. Kitty, kitty. Yeah. She wants food, so I'll feed her. And I'll talk to you all later. This is just a quick little video. I thought it was really wild seeing all those birds out there. Cats ain't even interested in birds, which is really odd. Our cats don't even know what a bird really is. Yes, kitty, you're fine. I'll get you some food. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Take care.